Okay, and why did you interrupt my nap? Guys, I just saw Monty vent. He vented right in front of me.
It wasn't me. I was
Monty, you're in the vents right now. Do you think we believe that? If it's not Monty, then we can vote out Layla. It's simple as that. But I'm gonna vote Monty. I saw someone vent, and I think that it's Supercat. Fine, vote me out, but it's not me.
where?
It was in the living room. No one was there. Purple is mad sus. I mean, we haven't seen her all game. I'm just getting a nice break, a massage for my servant. The task don't matter. I'll be fine, but I need this. It's been like 10 minutes since I've had a massage. Most people don't understand my life as a princess. It sucks.
Why is Layla getting a massage?
You know what? Never mind. She's really weird. Besides the lights crisis, I saw a mask on the ground and no cat was playing with it. Oh my gosh. Well, cat is kind of sus. He said that Sweater was the imposter and she isn't. We all agreed on that. She was just silent. Besides, how do we know it's not you trying to frame me? Now we pause is mad sus. Why did you vote him out? It's you, headphones. How is it me? It's obviously you, Layla, just trying to frame me. Watch this, we're gonna catch the imposter red pod. You wish. Nice job, Monty. Nice work. You really learned from the best of the best, which is obviously me.